At Arden House, we provide an electric fan oven. You have two knobs at the top. The one on the right selects your temperature, and the one on the left is the mode. So here you can see you have to turn on the lights. This is for your fan. You've got your fan oven, you've got your grill, and you've got grill with fan. So to use the oven, just turn it to here and then select your desired temperature. When you select your temperature, you'll find that this light goes on. This means the oven is heating up, and this will go off when it hits the right temperature. If you're using the grill, what you'll find is that as you turn this up, this will heat up more of the grill, so it's the maximum power. If you turn it down, you'll be on a lower grill setting. At the end, please turn everything up to the 12 o'clock position, so everything is turned off. If you do spill anything in the oven, please wipe it down. And that's how to use the fan oven. Thank you.